Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's tutorial, we will walk you through the process of setting up the Belkin N300 Wi-Fi range extender using the easy and efficient WPS method. This setup is fast, secure, and doesn't require logging into a web interface or entering any passwords. Let's dive in. First, unbox your Belkin N300 extender and ensure you have everything you need. Inside the box, you'll find the extender, a quick start guide, and a power adapter. Place the extender in the same room as your router during the setup. Start by plugging your Belkin N300 Wi-Fi range extender into a nearby power outlet, close to your router. Allow a moment for the power light to turn green, which signals that the extender is successfully powered on and ready for configuration. Next, find the WPS button on both your router and the Belkin N300 extender. WPS, short for Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a feature that enables you to quickly and easily connect devices by simply pressing a button, without the need for manual configuration. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. Once pressed, the WPS light on the router should begin blinking, indicating that it is in pairing mode and ready to establish a connection with the Belkin extender. Next, press and hold the WPS button on the Belkin N300 extender for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS light on the extender will begin flashing, signaling that it is actively trying to connect to your router and establish a secure Wi-Fi link. Now, unplug the extender and move it to a location between your router and the area with a weak Wi-Fi signal. Plug it back into a power outlet and wait for the signal light to turn green. Avoid placing the extender too far from your router for the best performance. Finally, connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. The network name will usually have _ext added to your existing Wi-Fi name. Test the Wi-Fi coverage in the extended area to ensure everything is working smoothly. Unplug the extender and relocate it to an ideal spot, approximately midway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it into a power outlet at the new location, ensuring it remains within the router's signal range for optimal performance. If you need help or face any issues, our expert team is ready to assist. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll ensure your concerns are addressed promptly. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Belkin N300 Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS method. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.